Hello guys, we just got here at the entrance of Bolinao Falls 1. We nearly got to 2 and got sidetracked a bit, but yeah, here we are now. Okay, we just got here. We got one of these cottages behind me for about 250 peso, and that's for the whole day. So you're roughly talking about £4, £3, and that's for the whole day. So yeah, that's a decent price, or cheap, to be precise. And you've got to hire one of those life jackets, and the falls is just right there. That's basically Bolinao Falls 1, and I'm about to get into my gear. Well, I'm actually wearing it, I just need to take it off. It's so blazing hot. It's meant to be partly cloudy in here, but this doesn't feel like partly cloudy. You're literally talking about 33, 36 on a partly cloudy, as what they predicted. We're leaving Bolinao Falls 1 and we're off to the next one, Bolinao Falls 2, which is literally not far apart from each other, but apparently it's much better than this one.
You want to get one?
No. Oh, different entrance fee. Okay, we're at the mouth of Bolinao Falls 2, but can't really see where the actual falls is. I mean, it's spacious here compared to the first one. The only thing is, where is the actual falls? I mean, is it that one there? Which one is the actual falls? see. Okay. So basically, this is the falls. You have like you get the base of the actual falls in there, where you've got around 5 different swatches of like pools in here. Yeah. So after further analysis, I think this one has more to offer compared to the first one. The only thing is that the waterfalls on the first one is much more iconic compared to this one.
Both Filipino, sir?
Yes po. Pinanganak po ako sa Binmalay.
Ay, Binmalay. So, you're from Binmalay, Pangasinan.
Kaso lumaki po ako sa UK. Nag-migrate. Okay, here we are in Enchanted Cave. We just paid for the entrance fee. So, if you're here just to view, it's gonna cost you 150 peso per head, but if you're gonna view and swim, that's gonna be 200 peso per head, and then you also have to pay parking. Oh my word, look at those monkeys. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's like hearts everywhere with messages on them. Yeah, everywhere. Good afternoon po. Okay, guys, we're just right near the entrance of the actual cave itself, but look at this. It's really living up to its enchanted tag. Look at this.